What up guys, one of the regular questions I receive on this channel when I drop videos on a coin to buy is, Jude, where can I buy this coin? So in today's video, I will show you how to buy any cryptocurrency you want to buy, how to find the exchange, how to purchase it, and even how to sell it. So let's get started. Now, in my last video, I talked about 4 AI coins to buy. So we'll be looking at how to buy one of those coins and another coin that I believe will go 900% in the coming months. If you want to buy any coin, just go to coinmarketcap.com. When you get there, you type the name of the coin. Now, one of the AI coins I'm talking about is fetch.ai. So I'm going to go to the search tab here and type fetch.ai. So it has brought it out, fetch.ai. I'm going to click on it. And if you go to this left corner here, it's showing you the contract address on Ethereum network, and when you click on this more, you can see the coin is also available on Binance Smart Chain and the Cosmos network, and this is currently the price of the coin. If I want to see a broader view, this coin have gone up and come down and it's about to go up again. So if I scroll down, I'm going to see fetch.ai markets. So these are the places I can buy this coin: Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken. So I can buy it in all of these places, and there's even more. So if I click on this full width, I can see all the places I can buy it, and I can sort them out by clicking on centralized exchange. You can scroll down and see all the centralized exchanges where you can buy it. If I click on DEX, it will show me all the decentralized exchange where I can buy it. Alright, so if you want to buy fetch.ai, you can go to Binance to buy it, or KuCoin, or Coinbase. I will leave the link in the description. And of course, it's available on Bybit. Bybit is my favorite exchange, so you can always go to Bybit and buy this. The link to register is in the description. So let's look at another coin which I believe will do 900% in the coming months. Not financial advice anyway. So this coin is called RLB. So this is Rollbit coin. If I click on it, it's going to show me that Rollbit is available on Ethereum, and if I click on more, it also shows that Rollbit is available on Solana. Now, this is the price. If I click on all, it's going to show me this started here. It is actually going up, but I believe Rollbit might get to $2.5 in the coming months, and you know, even if it doesn't do well, maybe $1. So I plan to buy in now and sell some at $1 and sell the others at around $2.5. Again, not financial advice. So I want to buy Rollbit. Where can I buy it? If I click on centralized exchange, it's available on Poloniex, LBanks, and the rest, but I don't want to buy it on any of these centralized exchanges because I hardly use them. So if I go to decentralized, since I want to keep it for a long term, right, I can buy it on Uniswap on the Ethereum network. I can buy on Radium. This is on the Solana network, and on Orca, which is also on the Solana network. You can also see the 24-hour trade volume. So on Uniswap, it's about $10 million of this coin were traded. The coin against ETH, the coin against USDC, about $1 million, and so on. But the thing is that I don't want to buy it from the Ethereum network because I don't want to pay so much in transaction fee. I want to buy this from the Solana network, and it is traded here against USDC. The volume is low, but it's okay, about $108,000 in transaction volume. I'll go ahead and buy $200 worth of this coin so you know how it's done. Now, if you want to buy directly from the Solana network, you have to have the Phantom wallet here. So if you're using Chrome, you can easily install it and create your seed phrase and all that, and you have the coin. Now, I want to buy this coin using USDC. So the first thing I do is I'll go ahead and deposit USDC. If you come down here, you can see that this coin, I can buy it with Solana. I can also buy it with USDC. So I want to buy it with USDC. I'll go ahead here and click on deposit. select USDC. This is the wallet address. I'm going to copy it, then go to my exchange, Bybit, and send USDC to this wallet address. All right, guys, so you can see that I have received the USDC 199. So I'll go ahead and go to Orca, so I can buy from here. So I'm going to click on this Orca here. Then this is a website. I'll click on it, and I have to connect my wallet now. So I click on connect, Phantom Wallet connect. Now my wallet is connected. So what I want to buy is this coin. So what I would do to be sure that I'm buying the right coin is I come here and copy the contract address of the coin. And I go back to Orca. My wallet address is already connected. I'm going to paste the contract address here. It brings out the coin. And since I have $199, I want to spend it all in buying this coin. Guys, note that when you are performing any transaction here, you should have a little Solana because you pay transaction fees in Solana. So I'm spending $199. I'm getting 198.52 worth of RLB. So I go ahead and click on buy. Click on confirm. I bought 1,137 RLB. If I come here, I can see 1,135.96 RLB worth $197.62 dollars. So this is how I purchase this coin. Again, if you want to buy any coin, go to CoinMarketCap, type the name of the coin in the search window and click on it. It will give you information on the coin. It will tell you the network where the coin is available. It will show you some price history of the coin, and as well as where the coin is traded, both centralized exchanges and decentralized exchange. So you can see a list of centralized exchange, and if your exchange is there, you go ahead and buy it from the exchange you're using. If it's not there, you can buy it from a decentralized exchange or register with a new centralized exchange. If you want to buy it from a decentralized exchange, you have to determine the network which is on. You have to also take into cognizance the network fee you pay per network. If you're on the Ethereum network, you will pay more in transaction fee. If you're on Solana or Arbitrum or even BNB network, you pay much lower in transaction fee. Once you have determined the network you're going to use, then you download the wallet for that coin. If you're using Solana, Phantom network, if you're using Cardano, Nami network, if you're using BNB, Ethereum, Avalanche, Arbitrum, and any EVM based network, you're going to use MetaMask. You go ahead and install this on your wallet, you send your coin to that wallet, and you go to the exchange, connect your wallet, and swap the coin you want to buy. As simple as that. This is how you look for where to buy any coin you want to buy. And this is the same process you use in selling them. If you want to learn more about DeFi, just go to AFIBIE.com and register. You also learn how to trade there and also receive trade signals. I'll see you guys in the next video.